Hello everyone, welcome to MultiMagix channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your computer using XAMPP. Before that, let's know about what is XAMPP, why do we use it, and what actually XAMPP contains. XAMPP is a free software that helps us to create a local server on our computer. That means normally websites can run on online servers. In our laptops, doesn't contain any servers or a database to run the websites or apps. So XAMPP can provide those. Then our computer becomes a server and it helps to run our websites or apps. So simply we can call it as a mini internet server. Now what actually XAMPP contains? It is of four major parts: Apache, MySQL, PHP, phpMyAdmin. So the number one, Apache, it acts like a server and runs the websites. And MySQL, it stores the database. PHP, it is a programming language used by WordPress, and phpMyAdmin, it manages the database. Now let us see how to install XAMPP step by step. Open your browser and go to apachefriends.org, download HTML and then enter. Based on operating systems, there are few types: XAMPP for Windows, for Linux and Mac. So I am choosing this. Now click on the download button. So we can see here the file is now downloading. After this, we can open this file. Now open this file. Click on OK and then next. Keep everything as default and click on next. So choose a folder for the installation and click on next. Wait until the installation is finished. Now the installation is completed. Click on finish. Now XAMPP control panel will open. Click on the start button for both Apache and MySQL. If they both turn to green and the server is running successfully and there are no errors. Now check the localhost whether the installation of XAMPP is correct or not. For this, open your browser and type localhost and enter. If you see the dashboard of XAMPP, the installation is correct. Now let's see how to install WordPress using XAMPP. Now open your browser and type download WordPress and then enter. Click on the first link and click the download option. So now the zip file is downloading. Now the zip file is downloaded. We need to extract the zip file and paste the WordPress files into a new folder. Now in the downloads, here it is our zip file. So now we need to extract the zip file. Click the right button and select the extract all and click the extract. Now the extraction is completed. Here it is our WordPress folder. Now copy all the files in this folder. Select all, copy. And now in the C drive, here it is our XAMPP folder, and open the XAMPP folder. And now open the htdocs folder. And now here we need to create a new folder. Create a new folder and give a name to it. Enter. And go inside our new folder and paste all those WordPress files into this new folder. And now we pasted all the WordPress files in our new folder. Now we need to create a database to store our data. For this, open your browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin and then enter. Now click on the new option. And now give the database the same name as the folder we created before. And now click on the create button. Now the database is created. After this, open your browser and type localhost and your folder name and then enter. Now this page will appear. Click on the continue button. So now we need to fill this form. After the filling this form, click on the install WordPress. Now the WordPress is successfully installed in our system. Login. So we have successfully installed WordPress in our system. This is the dashboard.